under the rain again, mascara running down my sins. Every drop feel like the words you said, sinking in. Cold streets echo what we used to be. Your ghost still dancing through the puddles around my feet. I've been lying on this bed of tears and lies, clutching silence where your warmth used to hide. Your hoodie still smells like the night we broke apart. Can't watch the pain when it's stitched in my heart. Cracked ceiling staring down on me, counting my regrets instead of sleep. If healing had a name, I wouldn't know her yet. Every breath I take just pain that day. I shouted love till it broke my voice. You walked away like I had no choice. Now I talk to the mirror, fogged and blurred, asking why my prayers never get heard. Still in the rain, I remain, washing off the scars, but they stain. Still in the rain, I remain, can't find peace, only your name. Yeah. I'm still here, baby. Thunder in my veins, can't shake this ache. Every heartbeat feel like heartbreaks quake. I gave you heaven, you gave me pain. Now I'm baptized in a hurricane. Memories replay like a sad refrain. Your lips, your laugh drive me insane. Try to move on, but the streets still talk. Every shadow whisper where you walk. Tears mixed with the city lights.